Do you want to know how to get a poppin' slick back like this? Keep watching. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Spirit, and I wanted to give a demonstration on how I do my infamous slick back for all of the boys and girls who aren't asking how I do it. So I just came out the shower. I did not use a shower cap, and when I do that, it's because I want my hair to be moist, just like this, get a little wet from the steam in the shower. And I usually put my hair in the area of where I want the ponytail to be. So I'm doing a low ponytail today. My hair is already a little moist. I'm still gonna spray it with my rose water conditioner because, you know, it never hurts. Can't have too much moisture. Damn, smells so fucking good. Yeah. Okay, after that, pull the hair down like so. I'm going for a low pony. And now I'm going to use a little bit of aloe vera gel mixed with some of my Pretty Hippie Roses in the Rain oil because I love this light oil. Thank you. Shout out to my girl, Pretty Hippie baby. And this is what I use as my moisturizer. So I just smooth them on my hands like so. Aloe vera and oil. Yummy. Okay, so then, already looking good, baby. Already looking good. So after that, what I use is one of my retwist products, my more natural retwist products, and I use that as my smoothing agent. So I'll use My Gel by Joie today. And you know, you need a little healthy chunk, you know what I mean? My hair has just been sweated out. My hair is getting washed next week. I don't mind using things in my locks when I know I'm going to wash my hair, so I won't ever really give it time to build up. And by using the aloe vera gel and the oil as the first layer, I feel like I'm protecting my hair first and nourishing it with healthy things. And then by using a natural something to slick it back, I'm not doing any damage. And I know I'm not doing damage because my edges are still here years later. And that's the name of the game. How long can we keep our edges? Hopefully forever. So there we go. Do a little slick back, little smoothing. And now it's time for the ponytail. Okay. Hey, senorita. All right. Make sure you get the locks placed where you want them to be placed. All right. I like doing slick backs on hair that is not freshly retwisted because it covers up the scalp more. Alrighty, so once I put the ponytail in, I take my hands, do a little hand smoothing. Pony baby, hey pony. And then I take my #1 Edge Control Certified Bella Beauty. Woo, woo, woo. Love this stuff. And I do that same little smoothing. Just a little bit. Now, I don't have edges that like to stay down. So that's why I use the amount of product that I do. Because my edges be like, pow, pow, bitch, we up. So I make sure to give them a little extra tender love and care with a little product. And then after that, I take it, and this is when we get into the cute part. And you can use a little brush like this. Just a little something, if you want a little something. Everybody doesn't want a little something, baby. If you don't want it, don't do it. You don't like it, don't do it. You don't even gotta tell me. I don't fucking like doing that. Just don't do it, baby. Just don't do it. My edges don't need that. Okay, baby, don't do it. Why black people always trying to smooth their edges? Because some of them like it. If you don't like it, guess what? Don't do it. Don't do it, honey. That's all I'm saying. Alrighty. Boom. this is what I do. The magic comes in the tying it down with a scarf. So I'm going to tie my hair down with a scarf. And then, you know, it looks a little frizzy right now. But wait. Wait on it. I'm going to give it 20 minutes. And then I'm going to come holla at you and show you the magic of when I take it down. Okay. Bye. It's time for the big reveal. It's time for the big reveal. It's time for the big reveal. Okay, let's take the ponytail out. Oh, guess what? You don't like people that be extra, baby. You need to go, baby. But, because Spirit loves everybody who loves a little extra fun, honey. Yum, 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 honey. Ooh, what I tell y'all? And that is how I do my slickum pony. Okay, got a little something left. That means, what that mean? What they mean? Put the scarf back on, baby. The longer you wear the scarf, the longer it stays. That's a money tree in the background. Money trees is the perfect place for shade. That's just how I feel. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching my pony tutorial. Yummy. Yummy. Bye.